Hello, this is Don Martin again. I'm with the Reasonable Realtor, and there's a lot of light in here this afternoon. Uh, but I'm going to make this little video anyway. I am with thereasonablerealtor.com. Thereasonablerealtor.com is not working right now because of my previous provider of hosting service, with whom I'm a bit aggravated right now and trying to get them back to providing the service that they promised. Now, this story. At any rate, right now you can find me at reasonablerealestate.wordpress.com. Uh, Makeshift, but it's a pretty nice little place. It gets done what we need to get done. If you need the MLS, if you want the MLS, if you're looking for something that we have listed and you need the owner's number, it's the place to go. It will get you to mlsdon.com, which is the site where you can find any of that information, or initiate the process of getting your house in the MLS. So that's basically all that I'm doing today is making a quick announcement, keeping it fresh, keeping it alive. I'm going to post this video if you get a chance and if you feel so inclined. There's a red square over here that I would deeply appreciate it if you would just sort of click on it, and that will let you subscribe to this YouTube channel. This YouTube channel is a lot of fun. Hopefully it's not boring for you. It's anything but boring for me. Again, the new, maybe temporary website, I will keep you posted on that. We'll try to have all the stuff that you need, so you will not be put out in any way as you look to me to help you sell your own house. Again, I'm MLS Don, and I have mlsdon.com, and temporarily you can find us at reasonablerealestate.wordpress.com. Anyway, I will put that link down below. Down below is where I would love for you to go ahead and like this video, and in fact, go ahead and make a comment. That would be super nice. I promise I will answer any comments that you leave me, and I will see you next time. Thanks.